Who is someone today that we are called to be broken for? Yesterday we talked about the importance of emptying ourselves to God and becoming the handmaid of God and allowing ourselves to not be removed from the trials, but humbling ourselves to take on any trials that God has for us and knowing that He's walking with us through these trials. Today, we build on that while we look at the Eucharist. And Father Joseph talks about two important things of the Eucharist. One, the humility of the Eucharist, and two, the ability to be broken. Now, the Eucharist, if we look at it before it goes through the Mass, it's simple bread and simple wine. And that should be so important for us to know, to remove our humility. God does such an extraordinary miracle with these two simple objects. And this idea of being poor in spirit, that's what we need to do, and that's what we can see in the Eucharist, is understanding our own emptiness and understanding that we are nothing without God. Just like bread and wine are nothing special without our Lord's presence in them. And so when we can have that, we can have the humility and we can accomplish great things just like we see at Mass. Then the other part is being broken. The power in the Eucharist is also that idea that it was broken and the blood of Christ was poured out for others. So those are two things that we need to take into our own life. When we look at the Eucharist, right, when we go into prayer today, think about the humility that those simple objects have and how do we reflect that humility in our own life, and then being broken. Who is someone today that we are called to be broken for? Who is someone in our life that we can pour ourselves out in service towards that person? Ask those questions, and then you are going to be walking with Christ.